Today I'm going to be telling you about the 3 best games you should play. First of all, we have Among Us. And that Among Us is really sus. You know, we have the sus town here, although it's called the sus spaceship, but now we have the sus town. It's good. The Among Us is looking like a feet, the pair of feet. This one's looking like the pair of feet also. Like who's in the middle of that? That's not Among Us. Okay. Then we have Minecraft, the Wild Update. That means 1.19. It's the best game ever. And then we have the Warden, which is the deepest, darkest, scariest creature. And then we have the Skull Sensors, the Shriekers, the Deep Slay, and much more. Then we have we don't only have the Warden, we have the Frog, the Tadpoles, and much more. And we have here the parts that the Warden's made out of. Okay, it's really scary. And you can play Minecraft and like find the Warden. It's really hard to find the ancient city in survival, but it's kind of sometimes easy in creative than survival, but I never found the ancient city and the Warden. And then we have Hobby Playtime Chapter 2. We have I just don't want to talk about them, they're really bad. I just like Mommy Longlegs, okay? He's like, come on, let's play a game. No, Mommy Longlegs, bye. And then Huggy Wuggy's like, can somebody play with me? And pick me up from the deep, dark hole that I fell in. And nobody wants to carry because he's a big dog. And that's it for today.
Make sure to like, share, subscribe,
comment down below.
Thanks for watching.